Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and SEM TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Mr. Speaker, for the first time, he defined the 24-hour economy. All these months that they were talking about 24-hour economy, there was total confusion. He now says that the 24-hour economy is only going to look at the real sector of our economy. So we are looking at the manufacturing sector, the mining sector. He said so for the record, and he's been captured. If you read page 9 of the report, I have the 48-page report. I have it with me. And that is what he referred to, that the 24-hour economy is going to concentrate on the real sector. I am sure that if this concentration is done, yes, it's here. Funding government machinery. He said the implementation of exam. He's talked about it generally. Mr. Speaker, if they really implement the 24-hour economy, we will not be seeing desperate youth on our streets. We will not be seeing desperate youth invading people's company premises. We will not be seeing violence. We will not be seeing unemployment at high levels. So, Mr. Speaker, we look forward to the resetting agenda that my respected colleague talked about. But, Mr. Speaker, a literalist interpretation the literalist approach to interpretation, Mr. Speaker, is not what operates today. This is a House of Parliament. We must be purposive in how we interpret our rules. We must be purposive. But, Mr. Speaker, this is not a time to litigate on matters of this nature. Mr. Speaker, it's early days. What is important is to ensure that ministers of state are approved to take charge of our ministries. The ministries are not for civil servants to manage. It's for political leaders with a political mandate to manage. So, Mr. Speaker, this is a matter that would revisit laying of papers and presentation of reports. Mr. Speaker, our reports themselves, when you talk about reports, are they not the same items that are described as papers? The acting clerk may allow me to intervene for the applicant. The applicant would want to pick something. Mr. Speaker, the report, are they not the papers that have been laid? So the argument that the horses are bolted and there's an empty stable will not suffice. But, Mr. Speaker, we will not litigate this matter today. That was not the understanding.
Majority Leader. Well, I recognize Honorable Minority Leader. Minority Leader, you have the floor.
Mr. Speaker, at the pre-sitting, the understanding was we'll proceed with the joint caucus. When we're done and we're back, we proceed with the other matters. So, Mr. Speaker, that's the understanding. And we'll go with that. Thank you.
Honourable members.
We had... Oh, you want to vote? Okay. Vote on what? Mr. Speaker, we had an understanding. Let's go by... Mr. Speaker, let's go by the majority leader's discussion. Let's go by what the
Minority Leader, you know the rules of the House. Just address the chair.
Mr. Speaker, the respected leader of government business and leader of the House has suggested that we go into a joint caucus, and upon return, we proceed with other business. No. Mr. Speaker, we had an understanding. Let's go into joint caucus. When we come back, the laying will be done. If some orders would have to be suspended for the matter to be taken, we are going to cooperate with you, of course, subject to good behavior.